Time check cell 10:30 p.m. Ito nagpapakain ang kapatid ko nagpapainom ng gatas. Parang ang snack ng father namin. Tuwing gabi binibigyan namin siya ng gatas. Yan. Tsaka gamot. Yan, malinaw na yung mata ni Papa. Papunta na talaga siya sa recovery. I-upload ko na lang din sa inyo pag full recovery na ang father namin. Time to time magbablog ako, magbibideo ako para malaman ninyo ang progress ng father namin. And kailangang magbantay talaga, binabantayan talaga siya. Walang matutulog. Mayroon talagang isang magbabantay dahil tinatanggal niya yung trichotomy niya at saka yung host na kung saan nakalagay yung pagkain niya. Dinadalaw yan ng pagkain niya. Don't rush into decisions because of others' pressure. Don't make hasty choices to please them. Have patience and come to me in prayer. I will show you the right path that leads to success. Dismiss thoughts of failure. You know that I love you, and you are in my hands because of the love I have for you. You will triumph in all things. I want you to feel loved and protected so you can face your problems and enemies. Kung minsan pag ayaw niya yung nag-aalaga sa kanya, ayaw niya magpapahawak. Pero pag gusto niya, nagpapahawak siya. Minsan ayaw din niya magpahawak. I equip you with the courage and ability to accomplish great things, to grow in wisdom, to overcome obstacles, to defeat armies, and to conquer giants. Tell me what more you need. I am listening. I want my will to be fulfilled in your life and my power to manifest in a way that's evident to those around you. You will be the instrument through which I bring blessings. Start with your family. Inspire them to seek me more. Pray for them, and I will touch them with my power, healing their illnesses, erasing poverty, wiping away their sorrows, ending hatred and disputes. Medyo matagal lang magpapakain dahil hindi pwedeng ipopost. Kailangan ganyan lang. Nakadalo, sariling daloy lang. Help them understand that I am the one who blesses and sustains them. Encourage them to acknowledge me in all their ways and to place me first in their hearts if they want transformation. My blessing is with you, and it is also with your family. I desire your home to be illuminated with my light at night, becoming a refugee for those in need of me. Everyone who enters your door will leave their illnesses behind. They will feel my presence in their hearts, and miracles will occur in your home. Pagkatapos niyan, kailangan siya munang nakaplat sa bed dahil hindi siya pwedeng itagilid. Every 2 hours tinatagilid namin siya left and right kasi nagkaroon na siya ng bed sore. Maya pagkatapos niyang kumain after 2 hours, itagilid naman namin siya sa left. Seek my word, align with my will. Listen to my voice in the early morning hours. I want to provide you with the map and instructions so you don't walk in darkness. I want you to go out and triumph every day, not follow. Hindi ko matapos yung pagpapakain. Salamat sa papanood niyo. Sana sa lahat na nanonood paki-press ng bell button at saka paki-subscribe naman. Salamat and God bless us all.